day traders, we're coming up to another week of trading. Now, this week is going to be one of those amazing weeks. Why? Because this week is a non-farm payroll. We're talking about the jobs. This week will be a challenging week for some traders because especially with Donald Trump and his dodgy doings and you've got non-farm payroll, you've got also, with certain budget legislation within America as well, and if something goes wrong in America, then it tends to have a ripple effect on all the other markets out there. So ultimately, guys, we are using the charts to tell us what's happening, and obviously, the chart is going to tell us what people behavior um, is about at that particular point in the market. And then ultimately, we've just got to use a chart and trade. And, I must say, if I see a setup in the week, even if non-farm payroll, because what I'm also saying, guys, is that if non-farm payroll sometimes comes out and there's a big gap, when I say gap down, gap up, and if you're on the wrong side of the market, then it could actually take a substantial amount out of your account. So I would recommend it. But if a trade's up to turn up for me, then I'm going to place a trade. Especially if the trade setup come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm already in the trade and already in profit, then I just move my stop to break even and then allow the trade to run, regardless of whichever direction it goes. Now, since I've been disciplined and sort of following this exactly to the T, however, if I must say though, if I on the non-farm payroll day on the Friday or Thursday evening, if I see the trade set up, then I probably wouldn't take the trade. But then if I see it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, during the week of non-farm payroll, then I'm going to take the trade. Because and I've been taking the trades and that's been working out for me. Now, if I was taking the trade and it wasn't working out for me, then obviously then I would have to stop. But anyway, I'm hoping you've had a chance to read the important disclaimer and the government requirement disclaimer. Now, this week, what we're looking at some of the trades that I'll be placing this week and some of the ones that So you look at the stock. I'm looking at stocks. Look at Forex, commodities, and indices. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a look. So far, what I'm looking at, I'm looking to go long an Avon entry point. I'm looking to enter at 215. And guys, as I hope you've read the disclaimer. I am not saying that you should put these trades on, but I'm basically saying this is what I'll be doing. So remember at all point that this is for educational purposes only. If nothing's wrong with you basically putting these trades on a demo account and seeing how it goes and learning. Okay, domino piece. Last week I was actually selling this, but then I've noticed there's a key break point. Now if it breaks this level, then I'm into the trade. Risking 17 to make 52. Okay, risking 17 pips to make And guys, you notice I'm not at the moment I'm in profit of 268, but I'm not basically risking any big lots of money. Make sense? Okay, so those are the trades I'm looking to get into next week. Right now, let's go into the other trades that I'm looking to get in now. This one is my basically this is a real account, and this one is my INSAR bar strategy. Now I'm looking at I'm looking at as this is franc. So as this is franc right now. At the moment, I got the inside bar. Yeah, and look guys, can you see how I enter this trade and look at my risk, level. I'm telling you, with inside bar, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Once I start getting these rejections and it's coiling within this region, this market now has been in a sideways market type. Now we start getting lower lows, You know, this market roughly I'm thinking gonna come back to either to these levels here. Yeah, so I'm already in this trade, not risking a lot on the trade because of my account size, but this is the I'm in this trade at the moment. The next one, Aussie Jappy. Okay, this one, nice inside bar there. Okay, this is obviously a downtrend, you know. So I'll be going against the trend, but basically I'm looking, if I get the right signal at this level, then I'm into this trade using my inside bar strategy. And this is where I've got my inside bar. Yeah, look at this, an uptrend pullback, nice inside bar there. Okay, but I probably would have been stopped out there. Okay, another opportunity here. Yeah, would I get this inside bar, prices break below, enter above this level. Look at that, that's how it works. Okay, so let's carry on. Which other one I was looking at? Okay, actually I'm in this trade at the moment. Now this market has been in a sideways market type. I'm looking for it to get back up to this point. Up in this trade, inside bar. Also, I've got a pin bar. Look in here. Yeah. So rejection, rejection, rejection with inside bar. Really nice trade. You know, market might turn around at this point, but I'm already in profit, so I'm just gonna let this run and just trail my stop as we go along. Okay. EuroCAD is another one that I'm looking at. Okay. Right. Now this bit, you know, obviously get going higher. Okay, but you know, we can see it's, you know, in a range within this point here, within a range within this point. So, you know, the whole expectation is that it's going to be moving back down, but this is such a massive move because I was looking for something to happen last week at this level. You know, and especially when I saw this pin bar, I was expecting the market to roll and go back down to this level. Yeah, but at the moment it's, you know, sort of in a sideways market type at this point, you know, right around this region here. So let's see what the market does. It come back down to this point with an inside bar opportunity, or at this level with an inside bar opportunity. I'll be trying to trade it back down to this sort of level here, which we're looking at 380 pips. Yeah, but a low risk trade I'm looking at, especially if I'm going against what the market currently is signifying, that this thing tends to look, seem as if it's want to go higher. Okay. And next one, right, inside bar. Yeah, right there, low risk trade. Okay, special rejection here. Yeah, look at this, we could have entered here. Risk 135 to make 250, you know, but that's in hindsight. So now what I'm doing, I'm looking for the right setting there or the right setting there. And look at these beautiful inside bars. Look at that one. Wow, it's just amazing. Yeah, rejection, boom. Right. So guys, yeah, that's the inside bar. Now the next one I'm looking at is the engulfing and pin bar strategy. Okay. So the engulfing and pin bar. So that's one I'm looking at now. So there are a number of trades that we'll be looking at to get into this week. Okay. So silver euro, right? Okay. If anything happen here, engulfing wise, then I'm into the trade. Or pull back up to this point, then I'm into the trade. Engulfing wise, or pin bar wise. Okay. Then the next one is silver. If anything happen here, then I'm into the trade, and there likewise. Okay. And then this one here, I'm currently in this trade. Yeah, nice engulfing. Okay. Breakdown. Yeah. That was where I put my stop, but because I was in profit, I moved my stop further down, expecting possible more downtrend to this level here. Okay, market might turn around. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this one. Yeah, anything up there, I'm in. Anything down there based on the engulfing and the inside bar. Sorry, based on the engulfing and pin bar. Okay, now the next one I'm looking for is a FTSE. Now the FTSE has been ranging for a while now, between this level and that level. Now with the right signal at this point, then I'm in to try to ride it all the way back up to this point. Okay. Okay, that's what I'll be looking at this week where the FTSE is concerned. Okay, and the next one I'm looking at is the USD. Okay, with the right side of signal at this point here, because obviously we can see, it has been in a downtrend, but for a while now, since August, it's just been ranging within this region here. You can see the Bollinger Band, tightens, sort of tighten there, tighten there, tighten there, so it's ranging within this region, but with the right signal, then I'm in. Or if it comes back up to this point, then I'm, so that's what we're looking at. That would be like my profit target. This is where I would be entering. Okay. Right. Okay. This clearly, yet again, this clearly is in a downtrend here. Breaks up. Now, if it pulls back to this level, then, we can start then, talking about almost like a trend change. If it moves from here and go and break above this point, then we're talking about a trend change, but not a current trend for now. You really want to be trading this down. So if it pulls back to this level, then I'll be taking a short. Pulls back down, then I'll be doing, I'll be taking a risk here because we're trading against the grain because it's there's a possibility that it breaks up above this point, pull back to this level, and then there's a nice opportunity here, or even break below here, and there's an opportunity here. Okay, but guys, I would recommend trading against the trend though. That's one thing I must say. Okay, right, looking for opportunities there, looking for opportunities there. Okay, I was in this trade. I got into this trade at this point. My profit was taken there, but I'm looking to see if there's an opportunity there to trade back down to this point. Okay, which 400 pips there, but yeah, with the right signal, then I'm into that trade. And then similar here, but remember guys, this is clearly an uptrend. Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, yeah. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, yeah. So clearly an uptrend. So if you want to be going short on this, then it's a risk. And it's very difficult, guys, for people to pick tops and bottoms, but it's possible. But I wouldn't encourage it. Okay, guys. Now I hope you have made sense of what I'll be doing this week. And if you need more information about what I do, just send me an email, right? Or me guys, you can contact me at learningforfuture1@gmail.com. You can also subscribe to my channel, so that you get all the latest videos on a weekly basis. Anyway, guys, and have a good week in your trading. Happy trading. God bless.